Make a great choice today with the 2020 Tahoe. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find Sirius XM radio, Bluetooth, HD radio, heated front seats, adjustable pedals, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.